If you like working on your feet, are able to communicate well with others, know how to work a variety of equipment, and enjoy taking a logical approach to what you do, you might want to make a sweeping change and consider a job as a custodian. Custodians, also known as janitors, are responsible for ensuring that buildings are kept neat, clean, safe, and free from clutter. To learn more about this line of work, we spoke to a custodian.
Hello, my name is Julie and I am a custodian. A custodian is responsible for cleaning and maintaining buildings and any other facilities. A typical day for a custodian might be during regular hours, or you might start on the late afternoon or evenings. My day is always busy because I work in an office building during the day. If you work at night, it could be pretty quiet. A custodian can do light duties and heavy duties. Light duties are cleaning the offices, mopping the floors, taking garbage from the offices, and vacuuming. We replenish the supplies on the washrooms, dust and polish furniture, and spot wash walls. Heavy duties are washing the floors with the machine, waxing and polishing the floors, removing waste materials from the building, washing walls and ceilings, and moving heavy furniture and equipment. Depending where you work, you may do all of these jobs or just some of them. You could be responsible for making sure doors are locked and electrical items are turned off when they're not in use. In terms of advancement, you could move from light-duty cleaner to heavy-duty cleaner, then maybe to supervisor, or maybe even a manager. To be a custodian, you need to enjoy a physical job because we're walking and moving around all day, grabbing and lifting objects. The biggest challenge of a custodian is keeping the workplace safe and sanitary. To pursue this occupation, you need to be a good listener, have good communication, and work in a team.
Oh boy.
Yeah, that's good. Most custodians are trained on the job. For example, you need to know which different cleaners to use for different jobs and which cleaning chemicals can be mixed safely.
When we're hiring custodians, we're looking for basic communication skills. They should be genuinely interested in cleaning. That's very important because they are spending about 7 hours a day cleaning. Someone who's trustworthy, responsible, and reliable. When you start working, we have orientation, health and safety training, and then as you go, there's a lot of training provided on the job. There are a lot of opportunities for advancement for custodians. We've had examples of employees who've started cleaning and then have reached senior management positions. A typical custodian would work in commercial properties, they work in industrial, they work in a lot of health facilities, banks, university, different retail areas.
I really love this job because of the people. I've met new friends and I like working on a team.
Being a custodian requires attention to detail, good physical energy, and the ability to communicate well with other people. Discover more about this occupation, such as educational requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website, and learn about related occupations, like building superintendent or housekeeping attendant. Go to alice.alberta.ca and make the most of your future